Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building a different type of rail vehicle, and we're going to be building the Sperry Rail Inspection Truck. And Sperry is a company that is subcontracted out by railroads to do safety and inspection services, and they use these big high rail box trucks to non-destructively scan the rails as they drive along them and look for defects. And this is a high railer, so it can go on the road or the rails, and this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into the build. So we're going to start off on the very front with the rail wheels, and we're going to put an inward facing dragon head on each rail. Then in the middle, we're going to open a dark oak fence gate. Then we're going to come behind it, and we're going to use polish andesite slab, and we need to be on the upper hip box. And we're going to go 3 wide in the middle on the upper hip box of polished andesite slab. Then behind that, a block of coal on each rail and a slab in the middle. Behind that, 2 rows of 3 blackstone brick top slabs. Then we're going to do the scanner part, so we're going to skip 1 block back, and we're going to put 3 forward-facing polished andesite stairs. Then we're going to put a grindstone above each rail. Behind this, a smooth stone block in the middle, and then a sideways grindstone on either side. Then we're going to do 3 backward-facing polished andesite stairs, and a grindstone on each rail again. Then behind this, on the rail, we're going to put a block of coal, then 1 out to the side. Then a slab in the middle, a block of coal here, and 1 out to the side. Then we'll do the back rail wheels, so we're going to do an inward-facing dragon head on each rail again, and open a fence gate in the middle here. Then behind this, back to polish andesite slabs on the upper hip box, and we're going to go 3 wide in the middle. And then behind that, we're going to go 5 wide with polish andesite slabs on the upper hip box. Just like that. Then we're going to come back up on the front on this first middle slab and put a stone brick block in the center. Then a forward-facing bamboo stair on either side with a glow item frame and a frog light on each of those. Then come right behind it, put a yellow concrete in the middle, skip a block back, and a polished blackstone stair in the middle here. Then we're going to put an upside-down bamboo stair on either side of this, and then 2 yellow concrete on each side behind it. Then up here, a black stained glass block here and here, 3 across here. On the middle up here, put a bamboo slab, then a bamboo trapdoor on either side of the slab. And then a yellow carpet on the top. Then up here, 3 trapdoors, 3 slabs. Then here, do a lever and a birch fence. Then here, do a lever and a birch fence. Then a polished blackstone button here, and then 1 here. Then put a stone button on the side of all 4 of these blocks of coal wheels here. Then come back here and add 1 more polished andesite slab in this corner, and 1 more in this corner back here. Then take a black banner for the mud flap, and we're going to put 1 on the back of this wheel right here, and 1 here. Then back here, a 2x2 of smooth stone blocks on either side, and 1 on the back middle like this. Then in front of this, we're going to go to polish andesite block, and we're going to go 3 wide in the middle up here, and bring it up across here till it's behind the cab. Then on the edge of this, do a row of polished andesite slabs on the upper hip box across here, and then same thing on this side here. Then in this corner, a column of 3 polished andesite block, then 3 here, then 3 right here, and 3 here. Then back here, do an L shape of iron bars here, and 1 here, like that. On this side, we're going to do 3 yellow concrete, blackstone brick wall, yellow concrete. Then put a black stained glass pane here and here. Then a wall here, 2 yellow concrete, and 5 yellow concrete on top. Then in here, do a 3x3 of yellow concrete. Then on this side, we're going to do a yellow concrete, 2 iron blocks, 2 yellow concrete. Then a stained glass pane at the back and the front. 3 yellow concrete here, 5 across the top. Then come in here and put a black concrete behind all 4 of these windows. Then back here, 2 black concrete here, 2 yellow here, a black concrete back here, 2 black stained glass panes, and 3 yellow concrete on top, then 3 skeleton skulls up here. Turn around and put an iron door going this way right here. Now come down on the back and put a glow item frame on each corner like this. Then in the middle, put a bamboo fence gate right here. Then we need to make a banner, so we're going to come into a loom with a red banner and light gray dye. Put a light gray border on it, and then a horizontal stripe on the center. Then we're going to put one on these item frames, and we're going to turn them so that they are sideways. Then we're going to come up top, and we're going to fill the middle of this all with yellow concrete. Then take polished andesite slabs and go 5 across the back here. And we're just going to go all around the outer edge of the top of this with polished andesite slabs. Next, put a lantern in all 4 corners, then an iron block here and here. Fill the rest of the roof in here with bamboo slabs. Then back here, coming off the top, 2 rows of 5 polished andesite slabs up here. Then we're going to put 3 mangrove signs every other block across the back of these slabs. Like that. Then we're going to do the logo, so we need to make banners again. So come into a loom, black banner, yellow dye. Do a diagonal, make the bottom half yellow, then a black horizontal on bottom. Then a new banner, make the bottom half yellow, then a black horizontal on bottom. And this will be for the logo here. So we're going to come up here and put the banners in a pattern like this. Then we'll come to this side and put that same pattern of banners right here. Then we're going to put a polished blackstone button on each of these bottom corners. And then same thing on the other side, here and here. Then up here we're going to put a polished andesite slab here and here. Then a polished andesite block above it and 5 wide slabs above that. In here, put 3 yellow concrete in the middle. Then a black stone button on either side. And then actually up here, we need to change this 1 block right here to a yellow concrete. And then same thing on this side, change this to yellow concrete. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Sperry rail inspection truck. Something a little different today. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.